To check the structure of your organization, there is one screen called as EC01. Every screen in SAP where I want to go, I have two options. Either I go through the menu path. Like for example, we used SPRO, or that was this shortcut transaction code. I can use menu path as well. Tools, customizing, IMG, SPRO. That way, for any screen I want to go, I can use either the path or the shortcut, which is specifically created for that screen, called as transaction code as well. So to check the structure of our company code, we go to transaction code, or we go to screen called as EC01 screen. Press enter. If we closely see the screen, this is the screen from where we started everything. Define company code. Define company code. We started from here. You see, define company code. And the company code which we created from this screen. We clicked on this second number button to copy from company code to company code. And once the structure is done, we come back to the screen to see our structure. To check the structure we have created, we click on structure button. This is a structure button. Click on this structure to check your enterprise structure. Now there is a button called as navigation button. Click on this navigation. Just continue with this small screen. And now you got to see all the company codes we have in the server in this list. This is a list of all the company codes we have here. And the list is pretty long. If you see, we have the list pretty long. To search your company code from this list of company codes, there is one find button we can use. This button can be used to find your company code. Click on this find. What's your company code? VD01. Press enter. If we have this company code created in the system, which is existing in the list, system shows up here. Click on VD01. Double click on VD01. And you see this small structure we created. This is so small, right? Just half of the screen, almost half of the screen. Sorry. We did so much of, hard work, multiple sessions. We finished around how many? Around 30, 29 steps we did, multiple assignments of so many units we did. But at the end, what we see? Very small structure. But this is not actually very small. All these plus signs, when I open or when I expand, my structure will be around 15, 20 pages long. When I click on this plus to expand it, I click on this plus to expand it. I click on this plus to expand it. I click on this plus to expand it. Very long structure which we created and we assigned to each other. Each other means all the units together. System is going to show you every single connection of your units to each other. You keep on expanding and structure ultimately becomes around 15 pages long. This 15 pages long structure is we created is just as we assume that we have one unit of everything. But in real time, we will not have one, we will have multiple units of everything. So the structure is going to be pretty big. How do we read this screen? Let's try to read this screen. This is my company code, VoiSAP Ontario, VD01. This company code is connected with one company. Which company? VD01, VoiSAP Canada. This company so far is assigned to how many company codes? So for one company code, VD01. If I had created 5 company codes, I had assigned all 5 company codes to this company. Here I will see 5 company codes. VD01 company code is assigned with 1 credit control area, VD01. This VD01 credit control area is so far assigned with how many company codes? Just 1 VD01. For VD01 company code, we have plants created. One plant, VD10, plant Toronto is created. Under this VD10 plant, we have created storage locations. How many storage locations? For finished storage location, and we created one raw material storage location. So through these lines which you see in the map, we can actually see the structure and the connection of units with each other. And that's how today we have finished our one topic, enterprise structure. I again collapse the structure, and you see just few lines of the structure, and with that our structure of our organization is completed.